Ready? Start. The appellants before us are Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, in short ONGC, a public sector undertaking engaged in the business of exploration and production of oil and gas. Stop. In this appeal, they assail a judgment of the Bombay High Court delivered on 30th January, 2020 in writ petition number 13015 of 2019, in which the claims of workmen to be entitled to fixation of pay and other allowances as per an award of the Central Government Industrial Tribunal number 2nd, Mumbai, has been upheld with certain modification in the implementation part of that award. Stop para. The controversy involved in this proceeding originates from a direct action notice raised by Oil Field Employees Association, represented by their president respondent number 1 in the present appeal on 26th August, 2016. Stop. The workmen, whose cause the said union were espousing, were engaged by and getting their salaries paid through different contractors appointed by the ONGC. Stop. ONGC's stand all along has been that these were contractors' workmen and not workmen of ONGC. Stop para. In fact, ONGC's case is that another settlement has been reached with the unions representing majority of the contractors' workmen, and that settlement arrived at on 19th September 2016 is binding on all similar workmen, including those represented by the respondent unions. Stop. We shall address this issue later in this judgment. Stop. Earlier, there were 3 memoranda of understanding reached in the years 1992, 1995 and 2000 involving ONGC and different unions representing the contract workmen working with the ONGC. Stop para. There had been certain parallel developments on the industrial front involving ONGC and unions espousing the cause of workmen engaged by their contractors, which cast a shadow on the dispute giving rise to this appeal. Stop. 6 unions representing workmen engaged by contractors had submitted a charter of 28 demands against ONGC and 57 of their contractors. Stop. This was admitted for cancellation. Stop. ONGC wanted to introduce a fair wage policy to cover contractor employees. Stop para. Negotiation in that regard had started among the parties. Stop. A memorandum of settlement was signed on 19th September, 2016, under which the FWP extended to contract laborers of Western Offshore Unit, Mumbai, of agreed to be implemented at all work center of ONGC. Stop. This settlement, according to the appellants, was in terms of section 12 subsection 3 read with section 18 3D of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 and entitled upward revision of wages, as also certain other measures of social protection including job security. Stop para. The signatories to this settlement were contractors representatives and representatives of 6 union code in the presence of and representing principal employees uncode, as also the cancellation officer. Stop. The representatives of ONGC signed in the capacity of representatives of the principal employer. Stop para. The tribunal and the High Court, however, held that the aforesaid arrangement was not settlement within the meaning of section 18(3)(d) of the Act and was not binding on the workmen involved in the subject dispute. Stop. The tribunal had also referred to certain order of status quo passed by the High Court to sustain its finding on this count. Stop. We shall, however, address this issue on merit, testing the reasoning of the High Court given in the impugned judgment.